Welcome. If you're looking to create a brand new invite link for your Telegram group, you're in the right place. Whether you want to invite new members or refresh your group's privacy, this updated guide will walk you through each step clearly and quickly. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and have admin rights for the group you want to manage. Now, head over to your group chat by selecting it from your chat list. At the top of the chat, you'll see either the group's picture or its name. Tap on that area. This will take you to the group's profile page, where you can view group details, members, and more. Next, look for the edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil or the word edit in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access the group's settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Invite Links or something similar. Tap on it. Here, you'll see your current invite link, but what we want is a fresh one. Look for the button or link that says Create a New Link. Tap on it. Telegram will now ask you to confirm that you want to generate a new invite link. This is your chance to customize the link's settings, such as setting an expiration date or limiting the number of uses if you wish. Once you're ready, confirm your choice. That's it. Your new Telegram group invite link is now ready to use. You can copy it, share it directly with friends, or post it wherever you want people to join your group. Remember, only admins can create or manage invite links, so make sure you have the right permissions before starting this process. Creating a new invite link is a simple way to keep your group secure and organized, especially if your old link has been shared too widely, or you want to control who joins next. Thanks for following along, and enjoy connecting your community on Telegram.